Did you know the greatest speaker in human history couldn't speak? Demosthenes was mocked the first time he stood before the Athenian assembly. People laughed. He stumbled over his own words. He had a severe speech impediment and almost no natural ability, so he built it himself. He filled his mouth with pebbles and practiced speeches until the words came out clean. He stood at the ocean's edge and shouted into the waves until his voice could cut through a crowd. He shaved half his head so he'd be too embarrassed to go outside and would have no choice but to stay home and study. He manufactured the struggle on purpose every single day. And he became the man ancient Greeks called the pinnacle of human eloquence. There was no gift. There was no shortcut. There was only a decision to turn the weakness into the work. Your limitation is not your ceiling. It might be your foundation. The question is whether you're willing to build on it.